Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Cooking with this guy. The lockdown edition. You okay?
Yeah.
Oh. Today we're going to do a brown bread recipe. Again, all the recipes I do, they're very easy. First step is to put in your coarse wholemeal flour. Yeah? Can you help me with this? And we need 275 grams of this. Okay, so we're going to pour it in. Alright. 200 grams of plain flour as well. Really, it could be bread flour. I don't have any bread flour. I'd say we're in lockdown, so plain flour it is. Okay, so we've got the flour and the wholemeal flour in. Next step then is to add a pinch of salt. A pinch of salt. Yeah. So the next step then is a generous tablespoon of bicarb of soda. This will give you a rise in the oven. You can see there, my mix is very wet, so I'm going to have to add more flour into it to kind of make it a bit more kind of manageable. That's the beauty of this. You can add a bit more in, maybe too much there. Add a bit more. So again, just mix, and you're looking to get a kind of consistency that you can hold it in your hand for like a second or two and move it, and for the dough not to stick to your hand. Very good. So guys, I'm just adding some cheese. That's 3 slices of cheese, literally just cut up like that and then poured into it. And again, what we're going to do here is just mix it up. Make sure it's nicely incorporated into the mix. So what we'll do, we'll add a little bit of flour onto the bench just to make sure it doesn't stick. So we're just going to move this around gently. I've added a little bit more flour onto the bench just so we can move it. And as I said to you earlier on, if you can hold the dough in your hands for a second or two, just like that, so that you can shape it into the kind of the loaf that you're looking for, you're laughing, okay? So again, okay, looking great. So, next step is to, again, just shape it in your hands. Add a little bit of flour onto the tin, as I said. Again, lift it, again. Now what we're going to do is transfer it onto the pan. So the bread. So it's a cut down here and it's cut over here, alright? Okay, so cut down. What? Yeah, and we do a cut over here. Now we cut and cut deep. Okay, so as I said, lads, we've got our dough now on the pan, ready to go. And we put the cross in it to symbolise the Irish bread. And now we have to put it into an oven, a preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. And then we should be good to go. Okay, so as I said... You're chasing Harry, yeah. Oh, when this lockdown will ever end. So as I was saying, 35 minutes in an oven, and you should be laughing. So Alexa, put a timer on for 35 minutes, please. Okay. So I'm going to clean this place up. See you in half an hour, lads. So guys, when it comes out of the oven, it looks like this. Looks pretty good. And as I said earlier on, the way to make sure that it's cooked is to turn it over and tap the back side of it, alright? So put a cloth over like that. And literally tap. Now, that seems fairly hollow to me. I am just going to put it back in for another maybe 5 or 10 minutes just to make sure. But we're definitely on the right track. Yeah, look at that, perfect. Look at the brown bread, see there? From our madhouse to your madhouse, give it a go. What I'd say to you is, if you like it, give us a thumbs up. And I'd love a subscriber or two. Thanks again.